I'm at Lowe's. This is the same vinyl flooring that I used in my house in one of my bedrooms when I needed to repair the floor. Remember my motto, yes you can. Follow me for step-by-step how to put this flooring down. Here we are continuing the flooring. You saw at Lowe's which product I was using. I've got one of the boxes here. I've actually finished this flooring. It is a nice vinyl flooring. I like a vinyl flooring with a rubber backing and no masonite backing. I repeat, no masonite. There's too many possibilities for water damage on that masonite and having to replace the floor. This is all vinyl with the rubber backing. I'm particular about that because this room's carpet was ruined from a pipe that started leaking in this wall right here. So, how do you use this flooring? It's a click flooring. You're going to need square, utility knife, and you will, as you take your measurements, your whole pieces will go across the room. You're going to have a partial at the end. You're going to have to cut that partial. Take your utility knife, get your square on, make sure you verify, end to end, your square, down, score, go to the edge, pop. You have just cut your first piece. The click flooring has a nice little edge with a groove down it. Each row slides in, and when it looks connected completely on top, that's when you drop it. Don't drop it until you see the lines perfectly match up all the way down. Then you drop it flat, and you go to the next piece. You're going to need sometimes to bump them together, and when you have to do that, you're going to cut off a piece with the lip on it, drop it into the groove, tap, tap, and you won't damage anything. If you don't use a piece of your own flooring to put into this groove to tap, you will damage it. So be smart, be wise, and you can do it. Yes, you can.